Good morning. Welcome to you in the online class of Prabhutara. Today in this session I will teach you one poem. The name of the poem is Chivi. This poem has been composed by Michael Rosen. Michael Rosen. The Chivi means urging someone continuously to do something. Now let us see. Ask yourself as well as your partner. Yourself स्वयं से, partner आप जिसके साथ उठते बैठते हो, पढ़ते हो. Do you like to be always told what to do, not to do? Do grown-ups do this in your experience? When Michael was 5 years old, his mother took him to a nearby school for admission. The teacher asked, "What does your mother call you at home, child?" "Michael, don't." The boy replied. "Michael, don't," came the confident reply. यानी इस बच्चे ने कहा माइकल डोंट नॉट. To chivi is to nag, to continuously urge someone to do something, often in an annoying way, according to the dictionary. Now read the poem. Grown-ups say things like speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't talk with your mouth full. That means बात मत करो, मुंह में कुछ रखे हो, अगर खा रहे हो तो बात मत करो. डोंट स्टेयर, घूरो मत. डोंट पॉइंट, यानी अपनी उंगली मत दिखाओ. डोंट पिक योर नोज, जहां तहां ऐसे ही नाक मत साफ करो. सिट अप, से प्लीज, लेस नॉइज, कम आवाज करो. शट द डोर बिहाइंड यू, डोंट ड्रैग योर फीट, अपने पैर को घसीट कर मत चलो. Haven't you got a hanky? क्या तुम्हारे पास हैंकी नहीं है? Take your hands out of your pocket, अपने हाथ को पॉकेट से बाहर निकालो. So these are also things. Now something more. Pull your socks up, stand up straight. Pull your socks up, stand up. यानी अपने दो चीज, there are two things. Pull your socks up, अपने मोजे को, जो तुम मोजा पहनते हो, उसको ऊपर करो. स्टैंड अप स्ट्रेट, सीधे खड़े रहो. से थैंक यू, धन्यवाद बोलो. डोंट इंटरप्ट, बीच में मत बोलो. अगर दो लोग बात कर रहे हो तो बीच में मत बोलो. नो वन थिंक्स यू आर फनी. टेक योर एल्बोज ऑफ द टेबल, अपनी केहूनी टेबल के नीचे रखो, ऊपर नहीं. कांट यू मेक योर ओन माइंड अबाउट एनीथिंग? कांट यू मेक योर ओन माइंड, क्या कभी अपना दिमाग नहीं आ सकते किसी चीज पर? So this poem has been composed by Michael Rosen, and Michael Rosen wants to give a message through Chivi. I have already told you the word Chivi means urging someone continuously to do something. Grown-ups usually have the habit of asking the children to do, not to do something in order to teach them good manners. They would tell the child to speak up, not to talk with while eating something, not to look fixedly at anybody, not to point, ungli mat dikhao, not to pick or clean the nose. Most children don't like it. इन चीज़ों को बहुत सारे बच्चे पसंद नहीं करते. ये कोई मुझे बार बार कोई हर बात के लिए मुझे टोके. They also teach, यानी बड़े ऐसा करते हैं. They also teach the young ones to say please, to keep quiet, to shut the door behind them, keep the hanky, not to drag feet, take their hands out of their pocket. They shout at the children. बड़े जो हैं, आपके मम्मी पापा, आपके जो बड़े भैया बड़ी बहन, they shout at the children to pull their socks up, आपके टीचर तक, to stand straight, खड़े रहने के लिए, to say thank you, धन्यवाद बोलने के लिए, not to cut in and not to rest their elbows on the table. They try to teach manners, which ये कोशिश करते हैं आपको मैनर सिखाने का, and rules of cultured life. They also expect the children to think independently and behave nicely. So this is the strong message for also children and also for elders. Okay, now you will do working with the poem. Okay.